These are steel rims off of a 2003 Chevy Silverado. I live in Minnesota. We dump a lot of salt on the roads in the winter, sand, and it just eats paint and causes a lot of rust. These rims are about 10 years old. I took a wire metal brush on the end of a drill, spun her up, got all the loose rust and things off. Now I'm going to take a hose and just rinse all that off and get all that stuff out of there and any loose debris and salt that's maybe on the rim before I paint them. I want to get them as clean as possible. You can see all the rust and crud down at the bottom. A lot of junk on there. After you've cleaned up all the loose rust, you want to get any oil, grease off the rims so that the primer will adhere real well. I'm just wiping these down with some mineral spirits, clean everything up. I want to make a template, first out of newspaper, then I'll transfer it to cardboard. What I'm doing is just put the newspaper on here, feeling right where the edge of the rim is, just right there. Just following that around, leaving a crease line in the paper. And just go all the way around the rim. And then when you get that done, that's not that easy to do, but it'll just save me a lot of taping. Just follow that around. And then I'll cut it out. So this is the template I cut out of cardboard. Laid it on top of the rim, and this is actually a tip that I learned on YouTube on how to paint rims. Deck of playing cards, slide them right in between the rim and the tire. Your cardboard is the right size, they fit right in there really nice. Let's go around the whole perimeter. Ready to paint. I'm going to end up painting 8 different rims, so it took a little bit of time to make the template, but it'll save me a ton of time in painting and things like that. So now I'm ready to paint. I'd cleaned up the rims with mineral spirits, and I'm going to use Rust-Oleum Rusty Metal Primer. The nice thing about this can is this nozzle sprays at any angle, upside down, around, and it gets a little tricky when you have to go in here, but I'm just going to put a coat of primer on this, and I'll be ready for paint. I am going to put the final coat on of black. I'm going to put the final coat on of black on these steel rims with the paintbrush. It'd be way faster to paint them with the spray can, but I have some paint I want to use up, so it won't take too long. But some tips here: you want to paint the furthest in first, and actually in these rims you want to paint way down inside of here because you need to put the brush in here to be able to get inside this crevice down in here. Then paint your way out, all the way out to the outside. And what I like to do too, it seems like I can paint faster, is if I paint left to right. I do that all the time, and it seems to speed up the process. And there's the finished product. Far cry from where we started at, all rusty and nasty, but put a thick coat of paint on, and that'll really protect these rims from the harsh Minnesota winters, and should protect them for many years. I did use the top coat was a Rust-Oleum black, actually gloss black. puts a real nice finish on them.